Okay, so I've just had to put it into high fill. I had so much bare metal. It's pretty good already. I haven't even sort of perfected it yet. I had so much bare metal like poking through here and there. Because it's been so wet, I'm starting to get a little bit of surface rust on those bare metal areas. I thought, oh, far out, I'll just put her into high fill. A little bit light on in spots because I only had 4 litres and it's thirsty as. The roof. There's light on around the doors, not on the guards or any areas that I've repaired. Haven't perfected this guard yet, this quarter, but we're close. But I had to seal off all those areas where the paint was worn through, where the primer had worn through. So it's pretty good. I like it black. Yeah, so we've got to do a little bit of work around on this area here, on that centre line. Anyways, at least that'll stop from rusting.